Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. This is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation, Virgos. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So first let's start with these cards, guys. We have 10 of stars in reverse, 4 of spheres and apprentice of spheres in reverse. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are seeing some positive changes in your career, maybe some new project or some kind of a responsible position you are being promoted to. So something that increases your opportunity or something that comes with a lucrative return. So some kind of an offer or opportunity is reaching you today, guys, and you are simply happy for the change in your situation. And maybe you also need to be careful. With this success also comes people who are totally jealous of you, guys, jealous of your achievement. So it may be a person who's jealous of you, of your abilities and skills, of this sudden promotion. So they are trying to create some situation for you, difficult circumstances for you in your work situation, and this person will go to any length to pull you down, guys. Or it may be someone in your in your personal life, maybe from your friend circle or family. They are very jealous of you and this love. Maybe you never expected this person to accept your proposal, but they have accepted. You are happy, but someone is feeling they are simply fuming. They are really angry, and maybe they never expected you to be in a connection with this person, with this beautiful person, but here you are and they simply cannot take it, guys, and they are fuming with jealousy. So you need to be really careful with this person. Maybe if you know who it is, you have to stay away from this person. And I also see in your situation, guys, maybe if you are seeing these difficult situations, you are going to see a way out of these difficult circumstances, maybe away from this jealous person. So you need to grab that opportunity, use that idea. Something is coming to you, helping you out of this circumstance. You need to make use of it, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. We have Judgment. So looks like in your situation, whatever difficulties you have been facing in your relationship, you are going to see things clearing up. You are going to see great changes happening in your relationship, guys. So it may be positive changes, or even for some of you it may be something really painful. You need to adjust so much. With the previous cards, we saw you coming into a new relationship. Maybe if it is a new relationship, even then you need to make a lot of adjustments, but this is a working relationship, guys, and it is true love. That is the reason you are making those changes. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's Six of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you may see some delays or some kind of worrying situation, but you need not worry if you can if you can find out what is the reason. It may be out of this person's jealousy, or they are working against you, someone. So if you can stay away from this person, you are going to see your situation changing, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional, or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now, guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that, guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today, guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today, guys. And also this card comes with a special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore, guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have hope. So, in our situation, guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation, guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like-minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life, and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.